Okay, we're going towards the end. Where things go wrong in the field is just when you don't understand all the complexities, or you don't want to take ownership. Poor planning and poor maintenance, mixed seed, wrong seed sources, planting errors, volunteers. You don't want volunteers in a genetic population. You may be able to live with it in just general scoring. You don't have enough key genotypes or checks. Dave, your question, mixed cultures at inoculation, contamination with background inoculum, that happens towards the end of the season. I don't think we can really control that. We don't know what comes in at the end. Uneven or late disease occurrence, escapes, border effects, lack of replication, environmental influences, soil, hail, moisture, livestock, many things. Confounding diseases, as you just said, unclear response types, bird and rodent damage, and farm animals, as I've said. I think I've got this picture in here. Okay, let's first look at this. What are we looking at in this particular picture? Those are two stems, wheat stems. It's stripe rust. Now, we usually don't see stripe rust on the stems. So don't just take rust on stem as stem rust. You've got to know what's happening and what's occurring in your nursery. It's not very common. This is Morocco, I think. And the orange, you can also see it, yeah.
These are not the true stems, these are the leaf sheets.
Leaf
right?
sheets, yeah.
If you go up to the peduncle under the head, you won't see them.
Yeah. Not a very good picture. It's not coming up clearly, but what I actually wanted to show you is this stem. It's full of black telia. And there is stem rust on it, quite a bit, but you also see the telia indicating, and those are not stem rust telia, they're leaf rust telia. So just when you look at the stems and you look at the plot, you see a lot of disease and signs, and you think this must be stem rust because it's the only one sporulating at this stage. Now you score the severity as 80 or whatever. You have to be able to distinguish in the field between the different diseases. And quite often we see this. I just put this in to show you that it's not always that clear as in the CIMMYT guide or in the textbook or the other slides. And you see small pustules, you see large pustules, you see leaf rust pustules on the leaf sheaths, and you have to come up with a value that makes sense. I have that problem in my nursery. Bird damage. So I cannot really harvest anything I grow there. But they allow me to do the rust nodes anyway. I've actually wanted to catch some of them and do electron microscopy of the feathers. And that'll make a great picture. See the spores on the feathers, but they're difficult to catch. And my colleague did not want to give me a shotgun.